How to lock your kid's iPhone remotely using FamiSafe. Just like you, numerous parents out there also have the same concern. They wish to make sure that their kids won't overly use their smartphones. To make it work, you can use FamiSafe to lock your kid's iPhone remotely. To do so, just follow these instructions. First, install the Parental Control App Location Tracker FamiSafe from the Google Play Store for your phone and FamiSafe Junior app for kids' devices. On your child's device, now open the FamiSafe app on both phones and register or log in using your account details. Once you logged into your account, tap the Features tab from the button, then press 3 lines in the top right corner to open the Features menu. Now, tap on Screen Time. There you will see different options to lock your kid's iPhone instantly. Enable the Instant Block. It will block all apps on your kid's iPhone. You can also set Smart Schedule, where you can configure when and where to block your kid's iPhone. To do so, click on the Smart Schedule option and then set Smart Schedule. Here, you can name your schedule. Set a location to apply schedule and set a time period to apply schedule and set a start time and end time. Once done, click on the Save button on the top right. So that was how to lock your kid's iPhone remotely using FamiSafe. So much for today. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below or stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. We will see you in the next video.